All right, good morning, class. Today we're gonna do two-way frequency table, and I want you to look at the overhead projector and look at the terms on there. Those are the vocabulary words that we're gonna have today. So I will give you a few moments to look over the upcoming content. Those who think they can demonstrate you already have mastery level on those, then I'm encouraging you to have a pre-test. All right, on the pre-test, if you have 90% or above, then you don't have to do the practice or the classwork. You will have another activity, an alternative activity. Okay, take the pre-test seriously. Test will only be entered into the grade book if you have a 90% or higher, because you already demonstrated mastery. So the reason for the pre-test is to find out how much you know about the lesson, so we can decide together if compacting work is a good option for you. So these are the students who made 90 and above, 90 or higher, and I will put you in a group so you will have an alternative activity, okay, for the rest of the class, okay? So Octavia, raise your hand. You get a 90 and higher. Tanea, raise your hand. Nevea. All right. Jordan. Okay, you will be grouped with Tanaya and Marcus and Aries. Okay? So those are the students who made a 90 or higher. Okay? The ones who got mastery in the pre-test, 90 or above, will have the Chromebooks. I put you in groups. All right, the rest will have the classwork. Okay? It's the same like what we did on the class discussion, okay? You can work together. I need you to have your calculator ready. Okay? And all right, for the alternative activity, okay, this one on the overhead, that's what you're gonna do. So get your paper and pencils and your calculator. Okay, the table below give the responses of 50 teachers' responses to a survey asking which activity they enjoyed most. Okay, there are 3 categories: the dance, the sport, and the movies. Okay, so what you need to do is to answer those, and then the second one is you will research actual data about public opinion survey, about association between age and support for increasing the minimum wage, or another controversial topic in their community. I provided the Chromebooks for you, and then the rest of the class will do the class work, okay? All right, you may start now. Okay. Are you working on your research now? All right. Okay, that's good.
You got downstairs? Yes.
Family on me, family on 3. Good. Yeah, no, you should call me every so. Hey, cool. I don't know. Y'all know what just like. I bring these folks in here.
Okay, class, the last part of our lesson is the sum up, okay? So at the back of your paper, you're gonna answer those 3 questions. The first one, what is the difference between relative frequency and percentage? The second one, what are joint, marginal, and conditional relative frequency? And the last one, why should the relative frequency sum up to 1? All right? So you're gonna answer that at the back of your paper. And I'll give you a few minutes to answer that. Afterwards, I'm gonna collect all the papers